Use discount code JacobVile when you shop.
Good.
Roses are red, violets are blue. My heart is dead, I'm such a fool. You should go get one. So many
XL12s ran on a Ethereum's MD12K.
Just a 12,000 in all four, or all six of these? Wow.
Yep.
What is your wiring impedance ended up being on it?
0.499.
Okay, so right at half. All right,
yeah.
Nice. Did you build this?
Yeah, me and a buddy.
Nice work, man.
Thank you.
And I see you had a little extra room, so it wasn't exact B-pillar. You pushed it back a little bit.
Well, we did 3-layer wood roof up here, and I had a tear in the roof, so I had a friend steel cage this, and we put a layer of wood on it, so it didn't meet up quite perfect.
Got it. So that helped a lot more than... Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Split clear through.
Nice.
It was...
Yes, sir. Very nice. And this is a fourth order.
Yes, sir.
What's your cubic space on it and tuning, do you know?
It's tuned to 44 hertz. I don't remember the airspace.
That's all right.
Off the top of my head.
Nice. What made you invert 3 and have 3 regular?
You don't ever see it very often. I thought it was cool.
Yeah. I like it. It looks good. You can see the motors and some subflex. And I like you have a little beauty panel here. To. How thick is that?
Just 3/4.
3/4? Nice. Looks good. Nice. And your door speakers, is there anything power in these?
They're on a Wolfram 05 cat.
05, okay. And they're all on the side of the doors?
Yeah, everything's on the side.
Okay, I'll go look at the power now. Yeah, man. Take a picture. Sorry.
No, you're good.
in my face, I could pick one. Make up pop it like a zit, huh? And I believe you, but every look you give, it's like I'm see-through. Show me that you want me like I need you, and I need you, yeah. I'm such a fool. me like savage, but I'm ballin' like a young maverick. 'Cause heartbreaking is such a passion. I thought I left it inside the past. I'm such a fool.
Man, that's windy and musical. It doesn't fall off. I appreciate the demo. That was awesome, man. Thank you very much. Man, I appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Tristan.
Tristan. All right, Tristan. You have a good day, man. Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Take a picture. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.